Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abrar. In this video, you will learn how to enter the data into an Excel sheet in a more engaging way. Let's suppose if you are entering a data manually in your Excel sheet, like using a tab buttons, age 20, gender male, education BS, and then you are, let's suppose, moving back to 2, and then you are moving back to 3, and so on. So this data entry can be very tedious, very boring, especially when dealing with the multiple rows and multiple columns, and you have a big data sets, you have hundreds of the observations. So it will be a boring job. But what if you could make it more exciting? So here is a very quick tip for all of you. So what I'll do, I'll just select the variable names here, select the variable names, press Alt D and click twice O. So a form will be open here. So in this form, what we can do, you can just fill the data easily, very in a entertaining way. Like here, I will fill the data. I'll written here is a number 1 questionnaire and press the tab to move to the next field. I will write the name. Then again press tab to move to the next field, write age, gender male, press tab education, let's suppose BS, experience 4 years, job title assistant, country, let's suppose I'm writing here UAE. So I'll just press enter, the data is saved already. So now I will move to the next for the second questionnaire. I'll put the second questionnaire, I'll write the name here, and then I'll move to the age, let's suppose 20 years, let's suppose gender is female, then education is BS, experience is let's suppose 3 years, job title is assistant, let's suppose, country is Bahrain. Just press enter, the data is saved. That this method can be make data entry more efficient and enjoyable. So, but if you make any mistake, any error while entering the data, do not close this form. Just click on find previous. You will get the previous data. If you want to go again to the previous entry, again press find previous. You will get the entry. Make the necessary corrections and again press enter. Your data will be saved. That's so simple. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.